In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own graphic scale. To create our own custom graphic scale, I'm going to go to the Plan Detail tab and then add a rectangle. For this example, my print scale is 1 inch equals 20 feet. For this scale, I'm going to create a rectangle 20 feet wide. And then I'm going to set the transparency to 100 and then adjust the line style thickness. Next, I'm going to create another rectangle to start my scale. First one's going to be at 5 feet. I'm going to make that black, solid color, black. Next one is going to be another 5 feet for our 10-foot section. I'm just going to copy and paste this one. And then the last one is going to be 10 feet to finish it off for the 20-foot section. And again, this will be black. There's my graphic scale. Now I do want to label each section. We can use linear dimension or labels. For this example, I'm going to use a label. And 0. And then I'm going to adjust the arrow style. And then adjust the size. And then bring this down. Okay. And then copy and paste it. This one is 5 feet. And there's the finished graphic scale. I'm just going to add a couple more labels for the scale. And there we go. Now, if you'd like to save this custom graphic scale as a symbol, we can select the entire thing, go to Tools, and then select the Symbol Creation Wizard. Click Next. Make sure it's set to Other Symbol, Next, and then give it a file name. Next, and Finish. Now, as you can see, I have it as my own custom symbol. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about our software, please visit ideaspectrum.com or email support@ideaspectrum.com.